Hello, my name is Jeff Roberts. I'm a personal injury attorney in Western Kentucky. I've handled automobile accident claims in Western Kentucky for more than 25 years. One thing that I often see is a misunderstanding of the different types of automobile insurance coverages that are available. This video is to help you understand the different types of automobile insurance coverages that are available and also understand the policy limits aspect of those coverages. The first type of coverage we're going to talk about is personal injury protection, oftentimes referred to as PIP or no fault benefits. This type of coverage is mandatory coverage in Kentucky. It's required to be at least $10,000 of coverage, but you can purchase additional coverage if you wish to do so. PIP coverage is designed to cover the medical bills and lost wages of an individual when they're involved in an automobile accident. It's referred to as no-fault benefits because the coverage goes with the vehicle that you're in at the time of the accident as opposed to the person who is at fault in causing the accident. So if you're in the vehicle but your driver is not at fault in causing the accident, it doesn't matter. That vehicle's insurance is going to pay the PIP benefits. Second type of coverage is property damage coverage. Property damage coverage is coverage that you purchase to protect you if you are the person who causes the accident. That's coverage that will pay the property damage of the other party if you are at fault in causing the accident. In Kentucky, this is also mandatory coverage with the minimum limits being $25,000, but you can purchase additional coverage. And with the cost of vehicles going up in this country, if you total out a vehicle that's worth more than $25,000 and you do not have any additional property damage coverage, that's money that could potentially come out of your pocket. So it's a good idea to purchase higher policy limits than the minimum required under Kentucky law. A third type of coverage is bodily injury, or sometimes referred to as liability coverage. It is also designed to pay out if you are the at-fault party in causing the accident. And it's used to cover the bodily injury claim of anyone else involved in the accident that may have been injured in the accident. It's mandatory coverage in Kentucky as well, with the policy limits being a minimum of $25,000. Like property damage, it's probably a good idea to purchase higher limits than the minimum required by Kentucky law for the bodily injury coverage. Another type of benefit that is mandatory in Kentucky is uninsured motorist coverage. Uninsured motorist coverage is coverage that actually protects you if you are not at fault in the accident, but the at-fault party does not have insurance coverage. Like property damage and bodily injury coverage, uninsured motorist coverage minimum required amount in Kentucky is $25,000. So that will pay you if you're injured in an accident caused by someone who is uninsured and does not have any insurance coverage. Another type of coverage is underinsured motorist coverage. Again, this protects you for damages that you incur if you're in an accident but you're not the person who caused the accident. Underinsured motorist coverage pays when the person who caused the accident has insurance, but their limits of coverage are too low to cover all of the damages that you've incurred. In Kentucky, underinsured motorist coverage is optional coverage. It's not required, so unless you request it or you're getting full coverage because of an auto loan or because that's the type of coverage you want, you will not have underinsured motorist coverage. This is coverage that is very, very valuable, and you need to make sure that you have this type of coverage. In fact, there's another video that I have done that you can find that talks about the importance of both uninsured motorist coverage and underinsured motorist coverage. Another type of optional coverage under Kentucky law is collision coverage. Collision coverage pays for your property damage if you are the at-fault party in causing the accident. So if you cause the accident, your property damage coverage will cover to repair the car that you hit If you have collision coverage, it will pay the damage to your car to help repair your car. Another type of coverage is comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive is insurance that will pay for property damage for so-called acts of God. If you are driving down the road and go into a hailstorm and have hail damage to your car, then your comprehensive coverage, if you purchase that coverage, will pay to repair that damage. The same is true if a limb on a tree falls and strikes your car, then the comprehensive will pay that. But that is also optional coverage that you will have to purchase and ask for to make sure you have that type of coverage. Again, my name is Jeff Roberts. I'm a personal injury attorney here in Western Kentucky. I've got more than 25 years of handling automobile accident claims. If you've been injured in an automobile accident and you wish to talk to an attorney, I provide free initial consultations. So all you have to do is call my office and schedule an appointment with me. My phone number is 270-753-0053. Thank you for watching this video.